Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I have a short and simple video for you guys, but it's a huge hack that you can use for your own Shopify store and start making money from it. So let's say you come across the Shopify store. It's pretty well done, like this store, there are good pictures and everything like that, and you want to know what are their best selling products and what are their like top 5 products, so you can sell them on your own. So to find that out, it's really simple. All you gotta do is come here and check the link in the description, and all you gotta do is copy that and paste it, and voila, you'll have this link under the slash collection slash whatever, and then best selling. Once you press enter, you'll have all of their best selling products. So as you guys can see, here are their top 5 products, or you can go all the way down, see which products are not selling well, like this product, maybe you should stay away from them. So yeah guys, that's all you gotta do. Maybe you can save this to your Google Docs or anything, so you can use it later. So again, it can be used for any Shopify store. You guys can paste this link and you'll get the best selling product. So leave a like if you guys found value in this video, and comment down below if you guys want any other tutorial, and subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of March, which will be a huge goal for me. And that's about it guys. I'm out. Peace.